When it comes to email marketing, Moosend is one of the top tools out there. But before you decide whether it's the right choice for you, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying. Stick around, because you'll want to hear how it compares to the other major platforms. First, Moosend offers a free trial, so you can get a feel for the software without any risk. It's a great way to test if this is the right fit for your business before committing to a paid plan. But what really sets Moosend apart from its competitors is its ease of use. Unlike other email marketing platforms that require a steep learning curve, Moosend has a straightforward interface that allows you to dive in and start sending campaigns quickly. The drag and drop editor makes it super simple to design your emails, even if you're a beginner. Next thing, pricing. Moosend is very competitive compared to other platforms, especially for small businesses and startups. Its pricing model is based on the number of subscribers, and you can choose between a pay-as-you-go option or monthly plans. This can save you money if you don't have a huge email list yet, unlike MailChimp, where the pricing can get expensive as your list grows. Moosend's pricing is often praised for being transparent and offering more value for money in comparison to other software. The third thing is automation. Moosend offers advanced automation features that allow you to set up workflows and trigger emails based on customer behavior, but in a way that's easy to use. This is a huge win over platforms like Constant Contact or even ActiveCampaign, which, while powerful, can feel overwhelming for newcomers. With Moosend, you can automate tasks like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and much more with minimal effort. The fourth thing you need to know is the reporting and analytics. Moosend offers powerful tracking tools that give you detailed insights into your campaign's performance, such as open rates, click-through rates, and more. But what makes it even better is that it also allows you to run A/B tests on your emails. This feature is a must if you're serious about optimizing your campaigns, and it's something that many platforms like MailChimp have in their higher tier plans, while Moosend includes it in its basic plan. Next, let's talk about integrations. Moosend integrates with a wide range of popular software and platforms, like WordPress, Shopify, and Zapier, making it easy to connect with your existing tools. This is crucial for seamless workflows and can be a game changer compared to competitors like Sendinblue, which can sometimes feel limited in its integrations. The sixth thing to know is about customer support. Moosend offers excellent customer support with 24/7 access via live chat, email, and even phone support. In comparison to competitors like MailChimp, which has been critiqued for its slow response times and lack of personalized assistance, Moosend's customer service stands out for being fast and efficient, especially when you need help setting up complex automations or troubleshooting an issue. And lastly, Moosend offers a unique feature with its landing page builder. You can create beautiful landing pages for your email campaigns without needing a third-party tool, which can save you time and money. Many email marketing platforms, such as GetResponse, require additional subscriptions to get similar functionality, so Moosend's all-in-one approach is definitely a standout feature. So, if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use and powerful email marketing tool that doesn't sacrifice features for simplicity, Moosend is definitely worth considering. If you want to try it out for yourself and get the best free trial, make sure to click the first link in the description below and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to test out a tool that could take your email marketing to the next level.